In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen a ticket in Zendesk, whether you've just realized that a ticket needs further action or a customer has followed up. Reopening a ticket in Zendesk is a straightforward process that ensures no customer inquiry slips through the cracks. Let's walk through the steps together, making sure you can handle this task confidently. Firstly, you'll want to begin by opening the ticket in Zendesk that you intend to reopen. Navigate to your Zendesk dashboard and locate the ticket, which may be nestled among many others in your system. Once you've located it, you can click to open and view the ticket's details. This is your starting point, where you can verify all the necessary details about the issue at hand. Once you've opened the ticket, direct your attention to the Ticket Status drop-down. This drop-down is typically found at the top of your screen or on a side panel, so it should be easy to spot. This drop-down menu is where you can change the status of the ticket. Currently, it may show as pending, solved, or another status. To proceed, you'll want to click on this drop-down menu. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Open. By selecting Open, you are effectively changing the status of the ticket to indicate that it requires immediate attention or further action. This step is crucial because it signals to your team, or to yourself, that this ticket is active and pending resolution. Now, there's an optional step you might consider doing next, which is adding a private or internal note to the ticket. This can be especially helpful if you need to provide context for why the ticket is being reopened. To do this, you can type your note into the internal notes section before you finalize reopening the ticket. Providing a clear rationale helps anyone reviewing the ticket understand the reason for its change in status, thereby maintaining transparency within your team. Finally, you'll need to submit the status change by navigating to the bottom of the ticket page. Here, you'll find another drop-down labeled Submit. Click on that drop-down and select Submit as Open. This final action confirms the ticket status change from whatever it was previously to an open status. It means that this ticket is now ready for additional work or review and is clearly marked for action. That's all it takes to reopen a ticket in Zendesk. As you can see, the process is relatively simple and can save you and your team valuable time while ensuring no detail is overlooked. By following these steps, you can maintain seamless communication and ensure every customer interaction receives the attention it deserves. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to give any ticket the attention it needs to maintain great customer service and satisfaction.